All right, guys, settle down for a minute. All right, guys, thanks so much for checking in. Dennis Ventura, coming to you from the city so nice that named it twice, New York City. Website is dennisventura.com. Today, we're going to dive deep into how to use Chatgpt for keyword research. So this is a question I get, almost every single day from clients. Can I really use Chatgpt for keyword research? And the answer is we're gonna find out right now. So, and I'm gonna test it against a couple of other tools so that you have an idea. Okay, what is can you really do it? So, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open up ChatGPT, and we're gonna start with the absolutely free version. And what you want to do with ChatGPT is it has all the information in the world. Okay, so think of it like you're asking an SEO expert. So, but you need to get it into that state first. So first you want to tell it, hey, ChatGPT, let's go into, what I usually say is activate SEO expert mode, go. So I tell it you need to activate SEO expert mode. That way it knows that it's going to be pulling its information from its SEO expert kind of database. And then it says, all right, let's dive into SEO expert mode. What is the specific SEO related topic or task you're looking to address? So it's already telling me I'm ready to go. Let's do this. All right. So then I go, write a prompt for me so I can use it to do keyword research. So, and I have my own prompts, but what you want to do is you want to start collecting prompts. There's a lot of prompts being sold also on the internet, so you could buy a couple of prompts. As you saw before this, I have something called AI PRM, something like that. It has a whole library of prompts that you could use, and you just want to test them out. So over here goes, sure, here goes a keyword research prompt you could use. And the main thing is, the more specific the keyword prompt is, the better it's going to be. So here you go, identify high volume keywords related to, and then boom, it's showing you right here. You're going to put in your focus topic or your niche, and then long tail, moderate, high search volume, and seems like a good prompt. So let's go ahead and use it. And we're going to look for what we're exploring today is the wild world of keyword research and plastic covers. Okay, so identify keywords related to plastic covers. Focus on long tail and everything like that. So let's see what you got, ChatGPT. Okay, so here are some heavy duty plastic covers for furniture, waterproof plastic covers for outdoor furniture. So these all seem pretty good. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and, I guess, use the same words. Let's see if we go to something like Uber Suggest and put in plastic covers. Okay, let's see. We got to set this to US plastic covers. Okay. Haven't used Uber Suggest in a while, so let's see. Okay, so let's let it spin out. Then I'm also going to use Ahrefs, which you see over here. I just pulled up. And it's giving me plastic table covers. Let's take a look at all the rest of them. So plastic table covers, let's see how ChatGPT did with this. Heavy duty plastic cover. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to ask it pretty straight up, generate a list of keywords related to the term and parentheses. Nope, not this. Okay, and let's see, it's going to give us, so this is more of a list that most people would kind of recognize, right? You say, okay, give me a list of keywords, and it's going to go plastic cover sheets, plastic cover for furniture, which if we look at Uber Suggest, for mattress, for carpet, for window, for covers. Let's see what else is in here. Over here we have for tables, for furniture, for books, for mattress, for tables. So this was pretty good for tables and for chairs. So I would say it kind of does an okay job if you kind of just want to get started getting ideas, right? It's going to do a good job of giving you an idea of what are some combination of keywords to start with. And then you could use something like Uber Suggest to kind of find out, okay, what is the search volume? This is a free tool. And Chatgpt does not provide you with search volume. It could give you the keyword ideas, but not the search volume. And that's a very important part of keyword research, because you want to know how many people are searching for this keyword, not just that it's a keyword that people search for, right? So if we look for, in Uber Suggest, right, they have, let's see which one we're looking at over here, for furniture. Let's go with that one. For furniture, okay, so let's see if Neil's tool came up with this. Microwave. So this is not on here, but if we look at our $1,000 tool, it's going to give you table, furniture. So this was $450. So, you know, it does a pretty good job of giving you, you know, the possible keyword research. But the only thing that's missing is the data on how many people are actually searching for this. Now, this is with the free version. I'm going to make another video with kind of GPT-4. And I think somewhere in the future, not far from now, it's going to be GPT-5 is going to launch. But also, I know there's a way with plugins within ChatGPT that you could actually get some data. So I'll come out with that video later on. But I just want to show you that I would say the answer for this would be yes, 50%. It can give you keyword research data, like what are the possible keywords that your customers are searching for. The next thing you could do is also kind of have this, you know, categorize. You could tell it, this is another important part of SEO, is take the following keywords and sort them by search intent. So this is a little bit more advanced, but search intent is basically when somebody's searching for a keyword based on information. They're just reading, they're just trying to learn. If they're searching for something based on commercial intent, they're looking to buy. So they're deeper in the sales funnel. And let's see how ChatGPT does for that. Let's see if it's going to go ahead and put these in order. Sorting these keywords by search volume can be done through. So what did I ask it? I said generate a list. And it really didn't do that great for that. So because it does not have real-time data. So that is the main thing. But in terms of coming up with ideas for your keywords, this is going to do the job. And then if you kind of go over to Uber Suggest, it's going to go ahead and give you a little bit more confidence in the volume and the keyword difficulty. So I would say it's a good but not great tool. And if you want to learn more about how I can help you, subscribe to the channel, check me out on all the other social medias. And main thing that we do here is we help clients with SEO audits, on page, and also helping you launch your campaigns, or even just coaching you and mentoring you on how you could kind of build an SEO campaign and manage it yourself. I have had clients be able to take the information that I've given them, run with it, and kind of start building traffic. So here's an example of a client that we're working with just within a month, and we're able to kind of double their traffic. So using the tactics that are pretty clear is really important. You really need to understand what you need to do from an on-page, from a research, and from a continuous ongoing process. Here is another client that we've been able to grow them to 8,000 in search, and sales are pretty healthy. Here's another screenshot of client where they're doing 16,000 a month, and this is just a Shopify store selling one product. It's about $100. So we could basically help you get started. So feel free to check out our website, and I'm going to leave you with this quote of the day: price always separates the real power players from the pretenders. Okay, there's two ways you could pay for stuff. You could pay for it with time by figuring it out yourself, or you could pay for it with money and having somebody else's knowledge help you accelerate the results. So always invest in accelerating the results. So my name is Dennis Ventura. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe and like and comment, and I will see you at the next video. Take care.